Hello, my name is Naria and today's guests are Mandy and William.
Hi.
They are teachers from Hong Kong. Could you tell me about advantages and disadvantages of your education system?
In Hong Kong, we take quite a long time for the student to keep in the school. They have to go to school starting with 8 a.m. in the morning and maybe last to 4 o'clock, and so that they can finish their lessons, and there will be other activities after the school. So maybe it's take a quite long time they stay in school. And also in Hong Kong, I think the curriculum is quite packed, and the knowledge is quite a lot. Do you agree?
Yes. I think the government is trying to reform the curriculum. Actually, it did it 10 years ago to reform the curriculum, to make some adjustment, but the time limit is a big problem for us to deliver all the contents to all the students. And one of the problem in Hong Kong education is the pressure of the students, because they need to have a public exam when they are in secondary. After in secondary 6, Form 6, they need to take a public examination. That is a very important examination for them, because the examination result is affecting them. They can get into the university or not. So if they cannot get into the university, some of the students may be very frustrated because they work hard for 10 years, for so many years, but cannot get into the university. So I think the pressure of a student is a big problem.
Well, but I will agree with William, and also I think it's quite a good news, because in 2017, Hong Kong, we have an updated curriculum. So they are more focused in training the students in different ways, especially the skills, so that they are not only fit with knowledge, just like in the books, but also train up their skills in everywhere, so that they can apply in their daily life.
How effective is it?
Okay. Few years ago, we started to change a little bit of our pedagogy or our mentality. Many years ago, we spoon feed. The teachers are spoon feeding the students. They just talk about all the knowledge. They seldom allow the student to think critically. But nowadays, we let the student think a lot of things, make them more creative, and to let them to think in a critical way. So I think the student is starting to change their mind and their mentality, more creative, more innovative, more critical.
Yeah. Also in the new curriculum, they focus in several new areas. For example, to nurture the students' self-directed learning skills, and also promote, for example, the STEM education. That is very important for them to have the ability to collaborate and to create new things, so that they can do the things hands-on, minds-on, to enrich their experience.
So we promote the student to learn by themselves, not spoon-fed by our teachers.
You know, many knowledge they can find it from the internet. It's easy to find. No need to just remember and write it down, but to apply is more important.
So the role of the teachers in Hong Kong now, we're promoting to call them a facilitator, to facilitate students how to learn.
How much progress have you made with this system?
Academic result is similar to the past, but in Hong Kong now we have more and more universities. So now how many we have? Eight universities in Hong Kong. Then before 20 years ago or 30 years ago, we only have 2 universities. So now we have 8 universities. I think the student can get more chance to get into the university to study. So that is a progress. That is a kind of progress.
Well, in my observation, I will find that the students, they are very getting more and more active in their learning. They take learning as their responsibility, so that they know they have to learn because they need to learn and they want to learn. So I think it's quite a big step of improvement as they get a more active role of themselves. I think it's very good because being a positive learner and active learner, this can let them to last for the whole life, and no matter which age, even in the elderly, they can keep learning for their new experience.
What do you think? What will change if all schools will work on this system?
In Hong Kong, because it's a complete curriculum for all schools, so all the schools in Hong Kong will follow the system and follow the curriculum. But different schools have that different strategy and different the step may be. Some school will be faster, some school will be slower, and it depends on their student needs.
What can you say about International Research School?
Here
Here.
is a great place because this place is designed for the gifted students who have talent on science or technology. Maybe they cannot learn some more or do some more in their regular school, but if they have time, they can come here to get some extra knowledge. It's good.
Well, in my observation, I found I agree with William. It's a great place, especially students from different places can join together, mix up into different groups, and also they can follow the experts in different aspects. For example, the medical science, or the ecology, or even the physics and astronomy. They can explore more and collaborate with others and have a very good interchange time they can share their ideas and work together.
Thank you very much for interview.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.